Another page is ideas. Here is where you, as a functional consultant or end user, you may come up with a great idea that is not available within this application. Depending on which application you're working with, which is in my case, is Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, or just the functional capabilities of Dynamics 365 Finance, you may want to go to the accounts receivable, take a look at how many ideas have been submitted and how many of them have been actually implemented by Microsoft R&D team. You could be a member of this community. For example, I can go to the cash and bank management, and if I have an idea, I can take a look at these ideas that have already been posted by people that have been working with Dynamics. For example, for one of these ideas in regard to the bank statement reconciliation reports, somebody has placed an idea. Microsoft placed this specific information after review in order to consider it as a candidate, or sometimes they ask community to vote on it. As you see, the icon vote indicates how many people have voted for this specific feature to be as part of Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation app. It still is under review, whereas the foreign currency revaluation cash and bank management module was a great idea, has been completed, and has become actually a feature as part of the product. So I recommend you to suggest a new idea and specify a particular product for a particular module and functionality and submit or suggest your new idea. Help Microsoft to help you.